Good morning, everybody. It's show day, New Mexico Truck Fest. We're here in Albuquerque, New Mexico at a Love's. And as you can see, the gas station's pretty lit. We got all types of trucks. Obviously ours, but let me show you guys everything else that we got right here. Brandon's truck, my truck. We got the tire man ready over there. Can-Am. That one's clean. That one's super clean. Let me go ahead and show you guys this ridiculous line that we have. Pues, long that line. Damn. Hey, we're gonna be chilling here for a while though, so I'll sit tight. A little quicker than expected, guys, but we got the tires put on already, so we're ready to burn out. We just got here, but this is what we came for, you know? Let's get it, y'all. It's time. It's been a minute. It's time.
Como yo no pasa nada y si es que nos pasa me pongo al modo. Compas aquí sin voy pa' la sierra, le caigo al cinco, traigo a mi mando la caravana, chingo de monos. Ni modo que no, los plebes al tiro bien verga cuidando el sector. Ni modo que no, otro vaso trago de rato, pues bélico soy. Ni modo que no. Así suena. Pura clave especial. ¡Ay! ¡Trancas, hijo de su puta madre! Saludo pa' Jalisco. Ese pelo negro está como yo quiero. Por ese culito yo le doy dinero. No tengas tú la más buena, yo soy el bueno. Pa'l Vallartazo en el canal, toda la people se ve pasar. Ay, por el puerto, en un buen cate, Playboys nomás. Ni modo que no, mija, si tú quieres el corto te compro un Rolls. Ni modo que no, una bolsa Birkin, un Rolex y una Lady Dior. Ni modo que no, ni modo que no.
4 trucks in there swinging. We were swinging with the Challenger, but look, valió verga. Truck overheated, not turning on, no coolant. Yeah, that's how it be. That's how it be. Got to pay to play. Let me show you guys the worst part. This is the worst part here. Not only did we cook the coolant, truck is dead right now. Check me out though. Hey, if you're gonna put 4 trucks in the pit, be ready to hit the wall. Hey, it could have been worse. It could have been worse. It could have been way worse.
That shit was crazy.
That's light. That's light work. We're gonna be back on Monday.
We got like 4 bumpers at the crib.
Yeah, we got too many bumpers, bro. Hey, we back. We'll have a bumper on it the day we get back. Don't worry. Alright guys, we got the truck back. We had to push it. And I kind of fixed the bumper, you can say. Hey, hardest truck here. Hardest truck here. Now, andamos the pit crew over here with Brandon. It's his turn. It's his turn to swing. My shit, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. No coolant, no Nathan. Pero aquí andamos. We got the cruceta because we got no sockets, no nothing. We're tired. ¿Cómo anda el compa? 100-degree weather?
I'm overheated, bro. I'm about to pass out.
Bro, if we overheating, how y'all feel about the trucks? Pobrecita troca, no mames. Pobrecita. Hey y'all, but I fixed the bumper. I really did. It's not bad at all no more. Look at this shit. This is nice. It's not too bad. I gave it a little kick, you know, little. Look at Brandon locked in, and my boy came through. Hell yeah. We got a whole pit crew right here, boy. We clean. So it's time. It's time for Brandon to go in there. It's his first time in the pit, y'all. First time in the pit.
First time, man. First time. I'm nervous. I'm excited to battle though, so I hope it performs big.
It's a nasty truck though. It's a nasty truck. It should burn out like nothing. We shouldn't have a problem.
going on right here?
I don't know what happened, gang. Come on. Too much time.
What's going on, B?
What?
What's going on over here?
This is the aftermath, gang. You wanna
Just an aftermath, some lion. It's normal. I mean,
gotta pay to play, you know?
Of course.
Chinga. Since the truck got down, it's worthy of a sideways sticker. You gotta be worthy of one, by the way. And I thought it was gonna let me down, but it's getting a pink one and on the windshield.
It's official, chat. He's back. It's official, eh? You threw that sticker on? He's back.
There she is, nice and baptized, y'all. It was a crazy show. It was a crazy day. We did a lot of swinging. My boy Brandon went swinging for the first time. Let's go. It was lit. New Mexico always puts on a great show. The truck didn't let me down. I honestly did think that it was gonna get cooked. Honestly, I said, hey, the tune, oh, let verga. But
I fucking tricked myself, man. It got down. It really did.
I was praying,
Hey,
y'all.
but I think you know what it was, bro. I think that adrenaline when you saw them come in and you just fucking let it out, bro.
Hey, it's my first time back, y'all, swinging after 3 years. Like the nervios were there. Y luego, pues, you know, like Freddie comes in, Scarface comes in the pit, my boy and the Challenger going crazy, and we locked in, we got down, and they had a great show. Yeah. So I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Down below your favorite truck. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.